Hi there and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial, where today I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to finish up our lesson on square root and cube root functions, where we're going to take a look at a cube root function where it says, graph the cube root function h of x equals 4 times the cube root of x on the graph below. The parent function, f of x, is already graphed. So what do you notice about h of x compared to f of x? Well, let's go ahead and we're going to multiply pretty much each point we see by 4. So we see a 1, 1 point. So that's really going to say, after we substitute a 1, we're going to get 4 as an answer. So 2, 3, 4. And the same thing with -1, you're going to see in your table, or if we do it algebraically like we are now, we're going to see -1, 2, 3, 4. Our next point that we see is going to be over here. And that's going to be the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. But instead of 8, 2, we're going to multiply that by 4, and it's going to be 8, 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And same thing over here at -8, -2. It's going to be -8, -8. So -4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our new graph is going to look like this. And that should be curved right here. I could do that over one more time, maybe. Let's try this one more time, and we're going to get a graph that looks like, there we go, that's a smoother curve. Now, what do you notice about h of x compared to f of x? And it's stretched. Or it increases 4 times as fast. And does this happen with absolute value and square root transformations? And the answer is yes. When we multiply an absolute value function by 4, our slope changes from 1 over 1 to 4 over 1. So it's increasing 4 times as fast. And the same thing we saw, or we will see, with square root functions. If we have just a square root of x, and then we multiply that by 4, it's going to increase 4 times as fast. Because all we're doing is taking our outputs and multiplying them by 4, which is how we found the points on this graph here. We didn't even use a calculator. We just took each of our outputs, our y values, and multiplied them by 4 to get our new outputs. So we've now finished our square root and cube root lesson. And if this video specifically was helpful in noticing what happens when we multiply a cube root function by a number greater than 1, give this video a thumbs up. And you are now ready to go on to lesson number 4 in this chapter on less popular functions. Thank you for watching.